So we unboxed the Galaxy Z Flip6 and these are the few things that you need to know about this phone. The Flip6 gets the same 6.7-inch 120Hz display as seen in the Flip5. Difference is in the back display. This one gets a bigger back display at 3.4 inches diagonally and it only goes up to 60 Hz. This phone also gets a better 50 megapixel camera and a sensor crop. So despite not having a telephoto, this will give you better zoomed photos. Almost 10% better battery life because this phone runs on a better chip, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This phone gets Galaxy AI from the get-go, so that means users can now use features like Note Assist, real-time translations, summaries, and something called the AI Portraits. Phone gets better and thicker screen coating, which means better protection overall. Z Flip6 also gets an IP48 rate, which is a good thing because now the phone is completely water resistant, but it is not protected against dust.